The 2027 smartphone race has officially entered a new era, and the Sony Xperia 2 stands tall as one of the most refined and futuristic devices we've seen so far. Sony has once again blended cutting-edge technology with its signature minimalist design, delivering a phone that feels both premium and powerful in every sense. Right from the first look, the Xperia 2 grabs attention with its ultra-slim body and sleek glass metal finish. The edge-to-edge OLED display is nothing short of breathtaking, with a rumored 4K resolution and a blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate. Everything from scrolling to gaming feels incredibly smooth and immersive. Sony has clearly focused on delivering a cinematic experience, making this device perfect for content lovers and mobile gamers alike. Under the hood, the Xperia 2 is powered by a next-generation chipset, offering lightning-fast performance and exceptional energy efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or playing high-end games, this phone handles everything effortlessly. Combined with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, it ensures zero lag and a future-proof experience. Now let's talk about one of Sony's biggest strengths, the camera system. The Xperia 2 features a triple-lens setup co-engineered with Sony's Alpha Camera division. The results? Stunning. You get ultra-realistic colors, incredible low-light performance, and pro-level control over your shots. The AI enhancements are smart, but not overdone, keeping images natural and sharp. For video creators, the advanced cinematic mode brings DSLR-like quality right into your pocket. Battery life is another area where the Xperia 2 shines. Equipped with a large battery and optimized software, it easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. Fast charging and wireless charging support make it even more convenient for users who are always on the go. Sony has also paid attention to the audio experience. With front-facing stereo speakers and high-resolution audio support, the Xperia 2 delivers rich, immersive sound. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the experience feels premium and powerful. On the software side, the phone runs a clean and smooth Android experience with minimal bloatware. Sony's UI enhancements are subtle yet useful, improving usability without overwhelming the user. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 2 2027 is not just a smartphone, it's a complete flagship experience. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its professional-grade camera and premium design, it checks all the boxes. If you're looking for a device that combines style, power, and innovation, the Xperia 2 is definitely worth your attention.